Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna give you a little tip about stapling options. So as you can see, the staple options, this machine is IMC 100, and here you go, 30 to 70 booklet finisher. Right, so you have you can see like top left corner, bottom corner, left bottom corner, two staples on the side and two staples up the top, and then hole punch. So but the finishing option of booklets is missing here. We'll have everything here, but it is not showing over here. It should show on this panel. So in order to get the booklet option, go to home key, settings, machine feature settings, copier documents, printer settings, yeah, copy a document, server settings, stamp, input output position, staple position, and just select one of these options which you don't use. Normally we don't use this option, so you can switch it to that option. So we need the select staple position, the booklet, and say OK. Exit home key. When you go to copier now, you see the booklet option. You see? So if you want to add the other option, you can get the same way. You can add or remove any kind of staple options. So that's it actually. Keep liking them, subscribe them, and hope soon I get more videos. Thank you very much.